How to use Bing to earn passively. I've been using Bing to earn passive income for over 3 years now, and I'm still surprised how many people don't know about this simple way to earn some easy passive income. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get set up and start to earn passive income with ease on Bing. Hey everyone, it's Dan from Sidehustle Reliance. On my channel, our aim is to help the online money making community find new and exciting ways to profit using our PCs and our smartphones. In this video, I'm going to break down Bing Rewards, explaining what it is, how it works, and how you can earn totally passively. Bing is Microsoft's search engine, similar to Google, but with one major difference. Bing actually has Microsoft Reward integration. You can earn points for just searching on the platform. These points can then be redeemed for real-life gift cards. To get started, sign up for a Microsoft account if you don't already have one, or if you do have one, simply just log into the platform. After logging in, head over to Microsoft Rewards to begin your earning journey. When you first log into Microsoft Rewards, you'll actually start at level 1. At this stage, your main focus needs to be to reach level 2 as quickly as possible, as this will actually unlock more opportunities to earn on the platform. The big change between level 1 and level 2 for Bing is that you can actually earn more from searching. So in the UK, you can earn 90 points by searching on desktop and an additional 60 points by searching on mobile. Also, reaching level 2 actually makes your account look a lot more legit and authentic, which lowers the risk of your account getting flagged and you potentially getting banned from the platform. To speed things up and earn faster, I would actually recommend searching random topics every 20 seconds on Bing, and that will actually generate some easy Microsoft Reward points. Additionally, I actually do recommend installing the Bing extension to your browser, as this will actually allow you to actually track how many points you've actually earned for the day, as well as provide some extra ways to earn some easy Microsoft Reward points. Just make sure you actually complete the daily actions on Bing, such as their daily quizzes, because it's an easy way to earn some free Microsoft Reward points. Don't forget to download the Bing application to your mobile device, mainly for 2 different features. You can check into the app every single day to earn some free points, and use the Read the News feature in the application, which allows you to simply open and close random news articles. Once you've actually earned 500 Microsoft Reward points, you'll unlock level 2, and that's when you can really start to focus on earning passively. To automate the process of earning on Bing and make earning as easy as possible, you need to download the Rewards Search Automator from the Chrome Web Store on your Chrome-based browser. There are quite a few different extensions which actually do offer Bing searches to farm Microsoft Rewards points, but this one is by far the best, mainly because it's going to reduce the risk of your account being flagged to Microsoft and your account being potentially banned. Using automation tools does violate Bing's terms of service though, so please proceed with caution. I've been using these platforms for over 3 years and I'm yet to be banned, and I'm going to showcase to you how you can actually mitigate the risk of being banned. Once you've got the Chrome extension installed, you need to configure it for optimal performance. Set it to perform 30 desktop searches and 20 mobile searches each day to maximize your Microsoft Reward points. Next, in the extension, adjust the delay between each searches to be between 90 and 180 seconds. This will give Bing a natural feel, making it seem like your search activity is real and reduce the chances of your account being flagged. Finally, activate the Force Mobile Points option. This ensures that the mobile searches will generate you Microsoft Rewards points as if you were using a real mobile device to complete these searches. Once you've set everything up, let the extension run totally passively in the background. The process will take care of itself and you'll continue to accumulate Microsoft Rewards points as you go about your day-to-day business. Your PC will now be generating Microsoft Reward points automatically with zero effort. For reference, £10 is equivalent to around 16,000 Microsoft Reward points, which means if you constantly max out your daily searches and use the application to its fullest, you can accumulate enough points to actually cash out every 40 days. That's almost £100 a year without putting any extra work into online earning.
Passive income.
You can redeem your Microsoft Reward points for various different rewards, such as a Waitrose gift card, Microsoft points, or even just Amazon gift cards. For me personally, I like to actually get Amazon, mainly for the flexibility and the fact that I can go and buy new games for my video game collection. So I've never done this, but in theory, you could scale up a farm for Microsoft Rewards, as you can actually run up to 6 accounts on Microsoft Rewards as per the terms and conditions as they allow it. This could significantly increase your earnings, but it does come with risks. Not to mention, each Microsoft account would need a separate phone number for verification. To conclude, Microsoft Rewards will not make you rich, but the extra £100 a year in passive income is a fantastic bonus. I've been using Bing for years and I can't recommend it enough. It's a great little platform to earn some easy vouchers. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, it'll be greatly appreciated. On screen right now is my 2 newest videos, and I'll catch you guys real soon.